What's up, millionaires? Welcome to your next module, all about Web 3.0 and DeFi. This is the last of the technically heavy modules, and it is the final piece to laying the foundation for your success in the remainder of this course, so buckle up. First, Web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0 refer to successive iterations of the original web. Web 1.0 is the original internet, the first Google searches, and the system that it was built on, whereas Web 2.0 is the current version of the internet, and is a term that is often used interchangeably with the web today. This is the current world of social media and other applications on the web which we are all familiar with. Now, Web 3.0 represents the next phase, where we're heading. The web refers to the World Wide Web, the internet's core information retrieval system. The synonym www used to preface all web addresses and was one of the first characters typed into a web browser whenever searching for a specific resource online. While there is, as yet, no standardized definition of Web 3.0, it does have a few defining features thus far, the first of which is decentralization. This is a core tenet of Web 3.0. In Web 2.0, computers use HTTP protocol in the form of unique web addresses to find information, which is stored at a fixed location, generally on a single server. With Web 3.0, because the information would be found based on its content, it could be stored in multiple locations simultaneously and hence be decentralized. Now, this would break down the massive databases that are currently held by the internet giants like Facebook, now Meta, and Google, and prevent their undue enrichment, handing greater control back to users. With Web 3.0, the data generated by disparate and increasingly powerful computing resources, including our mobile phones, desktops, appliances, vehicles, and sensors, will be sold by users through decentralized data networks, ensuring that users retain ownership control, once again taking the power out of the centralized authorities' hands and putting it back into the control of the users. Your data is your entity to use how you would like. The next defining characteristic is that it is trustless and permissionless. In addition to decentralization and being based upon open source software, Web 3.0 will also be trustless, meaning the network will allow participants to interact directly without going through a trusted intermediary. Along with this, it is permissionless, meaning anyone can participate without authorization from a governing body. As a result, Web 3.0 applications will either run on blockchains or decentralized peer-to-peer networks, such as dApps. Finally, Web 3.0 will make way for the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. In Web 3.0, computers will be able to understand information like humans through technologies based upon semantic web concepts and natural language processing. This, alongside the implementation of machine learning, will allow for the programs to learn and improve gradually like artificial human beings. These capabilities will enable computers to produce faster and more relevant results in a host of areas like drug development and new materials, as opposed to merely targeting advertising that forms the bulk of current efforts. Web 3.0 and blockchain technology are the concepts that DeFi, or decentralized finance, are attempting to model in the financial world. So DeFi is the use of blockchain technology to recreate current financial systems so as to empower the individual and improve the efficiency of the whole system by cutting out the centralized third party that lacks efficiency. The idea is that our web, finances, and assets can be moved into a digital world that is faster, more secure, and free of overbearing central authority. This is the revolution of decentralized finance and Web 3.0. Now, join us for our next module where we dive into the world of the metaverse.